Hey, what's up guys, I'm DAFsuper and welcome today to this new Cinema 4D Minecraft Rig showcase. Okay, first I wanna say that I'm really sad for what happened on the last showcase on the DBL inspired rig. So I decided to remove it for some reason that, they are bad. So then after I uploaded the video, a ton of guys and people tried to make inspired rig by Boots or Buckaroo, so that's really bad, so I decided to remove it. And yeah, now I'm here for another rig showcase. Yeah, so first I want to say that thanks to everyone that reclaimed me on Selfie. Yeah, really thank you guys that you take it down my page on Selfie, and now if someone want to buy something on my Selfie page, you can, because it's down for I don't know, maybe 3 hours or something, or yeah, like that. So thank you guys for reclaiming my page, my Selfie page. Next, okay, let me start with the showcase now. Okay, so let's start with the showcasing of this rig. So I call it this rig Project Zero rig because guys, it's summer now, started summer, so I finished school 1 month ago. So now I got some exams for my college, university. On October I will start. So maybe I think I will stop making rig right now, but not forever. Just till I start school and I got some free time. But I'm working on other rigs, so hope you guys enjoyed my other rigs. I will leave my Selfie page and my Twitter page. In my Twitter page you can follow me and you can listen everything, and sorry, you can see everything that I'm making, and also personal things like when I'm not at my PC for rigging another thing. But let's start showcasing this rig. Okay, so I want to say that this rig is everything is based on IK spline, but don't worry, because there are not too much bone or joints inside, so you will not see it laggy. Let me first if you have a good PC, you can just go to skin, edit and preview sites, yeah, for making it look better. Okay, let's start showcasing this rig. You have fancy fit and rigid bands on this rig. I don't want to change it. Maybe in a future update I will change it. This rig is completely with free updates and everything, but yeah, it will have some little improvements and add-ons or other things, like first, it's with fancy fit, as you can see, and yeah. Next, if you click on the rig here, and yeah, I tried to hide these expressors with another tag they have created on layers called tag, but when you open it and double click here, it will delete the tag and will bring out the expressor. But don't worry, they are normal expressors. Okay, so you gotta click to Project Zero, go on the bottom, and nudes. I call it them nudes. and are the IG spline based on this rig. As you can see, now I'm on IG, and then I want to switch to, let me put it like that or not. I want to switch to IG spline. I just gotta click this 3 here. This is for the perfect bend, as you can see, and also this here, like a little angle, but you got first to do this, yeah, and you can move it where you want, and also that you can move it, and also this here, move it, you can also rotate it, don't worry, yeah. But these stars are just for moving it without dragging the position. This is for the position, and this is just for the IG spline. So okay, so that's IG spline and IG, they are working together really nice. No FFD, no anything. As you can see, if I bend it, it's not perfect, because if I move it, you can see that it's not perfect because it goes in contrast with some postmorphs and some other thing, but yeah, it's really nice. As you can see, no glitches, no FFD. Okay, next, yeah, this is for the I think everyone knows everything about legs and other things, so I'm just explaining new features of this rig. This is the main controller. Oh, if you see that it's laggy, don't worry, because as you can see the FPS here, I put it in here for all the people that say that all of my rig are laggy. I try to do my best with this, but don't worry. You can, with a normal PC, you can go to 30 FPS for a second. This is the back, like that. On the front, it's not a perfect back bend, but yeah. And the edge will rotate everything. The edge rotation. Yeah. Okay, next. What else? Let's go to the arms. Arms are make it the same thing of the legs, so you can make it yeah, with the IG spline. Then you can bend it. You can use IG for rigid bend, or you can move it, or you can rotate here for making all the arm rotation, as you can see. And also this, you can rotate. And this here is the wrist, really nice wrist, and no band tool, no deformers, no anything, as you can see. And finally, I've added the fingers to this IG spline and IG test or thing. Fingers, all you need to do is just drag it up for opening fingers, and you're done. Or you can PSR it for the 0 position, or you can go to -6.125. And yeah, if you PSR it, you can see that it's on the normal pose, and this is for the second band. You can go up, and also this, if you go up to 6.125, you can see that it goes up, as you can see on the lines, visual lines, it goes up. Yeah, it's not a pose mode, it's some joint position and rotation. Yeah, and you can also open like that, and you can see there are no glitches. The hardest part was to make, as you can see here, everything is working. If I render, let me go to LOD render. Yep. And then wait, let me just the smooth edges, let me turn off them. Yeah, as you can see, don't worry about the glitch, and you know it works. I can also open it. Yeah, I can also open it. As you can see, this is a expressive thing that, yep, they work on the same time. So now you just need to move arrows, and it's really easy to animate. At the thumb, you have this for controlling the thumb position, like here. You can drag it to make it bigger, rotate it, as you can see, and you can make it smaller, and also you can rotate it like that. Yep. And yeah, that's all for the fingers. So everything is, as you can see, 3 steps: 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, and it's really, everything is one polygon. Okay. So for the auto weighting, you got all those body parts with auto weighting, but fingers, for weighting the fingers, you first got to extrude it. Let me show you, let me explain. If I open the fingers, because there are 2 arms with fingers and without fingers. So this is the left arm. Let me just turn off the nodes. This is the left arm. So what I gotta do is let me just go to, oh, let me just find, yeah, fingers. Oh wait, I look at bones. Okay. Let me find. Oh yeah, so all you got to do is to remove the meshes, look, and you got all these joints here, but you gotta go to the, let me just open one, put it like that here, go to the, this is the fixes, this is the middle, join the middle, and wait, let me just first extrude it to show you how to extrude it. Loop, smooth shift. Okay, so now that it's extruded, all I got to do is to double click on the left fingers, go to joint, where is it, joint 5, then go to the front and remove visible only, then okay, now it's done. It's normal auto weighting, so as you can see, and I enable now. Oh, you gotta put fit first, but let me show you that it works. But with the auto weighting, you just got to click the left arm and click initialize next to that you extruded it. Okay, now let's go to the facial features of this rig. First, let me remove the second layer, and as you can see, this rig is based in a polygon head without anything, without any, it's everything binded and everything. Turn off lip. Okay, so this is the mouth joints. You can see this is the jaw, no, the kin. This is just the kin. Those are the lids. This is the eyebrow with ivy spline. You can move it, and as you can see here, everything works. Also here, also this in the middle, or you can move it both. And wait, yep. And the star is for moving for all the eyebrow. And oh, you got second lids. I really love second lids, so if you go to the rig and second lids and turn it on, you can see that you have these lids here. Those are for the second lids, and also that is for the second lids. The first lids works pretty fine, but don't go too much bottom, because you know it can go up. And in render, you see everything is smooth. Works pretty fine. As you can see, this is the eyelids toggle. Works pretty fine. As you can see, pretty smooth. Yep, and other things are, this is the mouth. So as you can see, I've made it a jaw mouth, but you can disable or enable the jaw, the band jaw. As you can see on the band jaw, where is it? Can enable or disable. You can move the teeth manually, the tongue, the eye is blind, so you just have to move it and rotate or rotate. And top teeth, or you can, if you like, as you can see now, I make it then postmorph of the under neck for the body, and you can also disable it. Jaw body pose, you can turn it off, and but if I recommend it, if you use the bended jaw, because as you can see, you will see a bit of, yeah, now you can see it. So yeah, this is for the mouse, and define. Yep. Next, what else? Yeah, this is for the jaw, and this is for the expression. Right, left. This is for bottom teeth. This is for the right, top teeth. This is the mouth position and also rotation. And this is for the sides, as you can see, normal, and everything you need to do to know is that this mouse, you can put this arrow on the right, and normal it's cubic mouse because it's more Minecraftly, and some of my friends like this type of mouse, so I decided to add this type of mouse. Yeah, and but don't worry, because if you want smooth mount, all you need to do is go to layers, remove meshes lock, search for the head mesh, then click on it and go to lines, pre-lines. I've just selected them, pre-selected, and go to right and dissolve, and now you can lock the meshes, and you have the smooth mouth, as you can see. Yep. And also you can also use this. It's the I don't know how to call this type of mount, but it works really fine with the smile. Yep. But I like cubic mouse. It's better. Okay. Cubic mouse for life. Next thing is this is for the smoothness on the second lids, and this is for the villager head. This is for the nose. I define. Yeah. I define. You can also change on the setting the nose type, normal, just off, 1 and 2 and 3 type of, and you can change the color here on the skin. Oh, the skin, it's 3D, I don't know how to call it, but it's auto changing the 3D effect. So all you gotta do is just change the skin. Oh, let me just put the DBL skin of one of the characters, and as you can see now everything it's yeah, extruded, and yep, got the effect here. Right, this is light scale and it works pretty fine. That or that. And you can change the nose. If you go to change the nose type, you can change the nose color here. Yep, as you can see. And turn off the nose. This toggles here are for the smoothness on the mouth. This is for the underwater. Works pretty fine. You can see. And this is for the smooth. This is rounded eyelids, for making the eyelids more rounded, like Mama's creation rigs. This is for the smoothness on the eyelids. You can also do the smoothness on the second lids. Yeah. And yeah, this is the teeth. This is the lip. Lip of the villager. Everything works, joins, positions. Yep. This is for the Z position on the second lids. This is the up second lids, down second lids. Yeah, here is everything. This is the right lid, right blink, left boot blink. This is the easy look. I don't know how to call it, but yeah. And this is the derp. This is for the eyes. Eyes have all the animation that you need, but you can see, if I go up and down, the lids will move up and down, and also a bit bend, and right and left. But yeah, the pupils will not go inside when you move, or you can use the derp. And yeah, everything works. And or if you want to, for example, go to the right, but you don't want this pose, you can just drag it to the left, and yeah, you can disable it. Or this is for the depth of the pupils, and also for the eyes. And this is the up and down, or if you go down where you don't want it, you just can drag it up, or left and right if you don't want the left. And this, now as you can see, everything is normal. And this finally it's for the up and down lids. So as you can see, I go up, I want to turn down lids, I go down, I want to turn up lids. Yeah, pretty easy. This is for the Y scale on the pupils, for making double pupils. As you can see. And this is the X scale. This is for the rounded pupils. Yeah, this is the squash and stretch, but I decided to add a toggle because squash and stretch really lag if you keep on enable it. So you just first go to enable it, and then you can enable it. Next, yeah, the eyebrows, X, Z position, Y scale, easy animation. And that's all for the toggle panel. Let's finish this showcasing with the user data. First, you got the armor, normal armor of my other rig. Everything works, everything is really good. And yeah, but let me just go to enable the meshes. As you can see, no meshes are enabled, and I can change the smoothness, the material, and finally on the diamond material I can change the hue. I can change the hue for your preferences, color and other thing. Next, you have the customization. IK spline are based on B-spline, B-spline, but you can change it to Bezier if you want more like more, I don't know how to call it, but yeah. And you can change the stretch, bulge on the body, on and off, but I gotta fix it, maybe it doesn't work. And you can change the enable second layer, smoothness on the body, smoothness on the teeth and tongue or other thing, and lip on the head. This is for the lip, and you gotta change the color here. Copy, paste, and you have the lip and the same color of the inner mouth. You can see, or you can disable it if you want. And jaw body, banded jaw, bulge body, twisted leg that replaces the pole, so you can just rotate, but it will twist the leg. I don't recommend to use it when you bind it, because you know, or when you stretch the leg. As you can see, it's a glitch. Yep. And as you can see, yeah. Next, the leg stretch. So I can put it here. I can go to stretch the leg. Then the mouth splines, you can disable it. Then the lid splines and the eyebrow splines, as you can see, for a plain and face things. And specular pupils, you can disable it and you can enable it. Specular skin, as you can see, if someone like it like that. Lines, and the sides of the rig, the sides of the head, the notes, there are IK spline. And next I've added auto animation. Auto animation is based on Anishwij idea, because I think he did a really great job with auto animation. So yeah, thanks to his idea I improved it, but all credits goes to it for the auto animations. I don't know, but yeah, maybe be awake here, make it something like that with his creeper, I don't know. But let me show you how it works. First you got to go to the main, rotate the arm on 90 or PSRE. Then go to the project, enable arm, legs. Legs are really easy because you just got to move it on off. Something that's not work. Okay, let me just fix it. Okay, done. So now as you can see, if I drag the arm on the right, on the top, on the Z position, X, up, it will move like it's auto animating, you know. Also, same thing works for the legs, up, down, right and left. So all you got to do is move it and move the other leg, and yeah. And you can disable arms and just use legs. That. And yeah, the auto vibrate, it's for something professional for the movement, and if you enable it and you go to on, you can see that it always moves, as you can see, and you can also move it. It will not stop moving. Yeah, but if you enable it, then you hit player, you go to the first, you can see that it isn't you know, perfect. You just got to click on the reset and it's turn it off. Reset frequency and other things with the vibrate tag. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. This is for the tools. Hope you guys enjoyed this rig. I think that this is the final rig that I will use, because now summer is started and I'm going to my vacations. I don't know when and where, but don't worry, some other rigs will bring out like mobs and other thing, maybe an animation for one of my dear friend here in Italy. And yeah, that's all. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't worry about lag, as you can see, and hope you enjoyed it. And I will put the link in the description, but I don't know if you can buy it. You just got to wait 3 to 15 hours for my sell-fi page to bring up. And hope you liked it, guys. Don't forget to leave a like below or comment for everything that you need, and we'll see you in another rig showcase. Bye bye.